Bite Size Business is the UK's largest independent business radio programme. Our award-winning content is trusted by thousands of businesses. The Daily Bite Size Business is informative, entertaining and inspiring. Since 2012, we've built a loyal band of listeners in the UK and all over the world, on FM and digital radio as well as online. Our listeners are made up of entrepreneurs, business owners and high net worth individuals, all of which are key decision makers. By being broadcast as a daily program at peak listening times, Bite Size Business is designed to work for our listeners, our sponsors and featured businesses. Of course, radio is the medium of choice for pushing your company ahead of the competition, as 90% of people listen to the radio each week. We're keen to help you make the most of Bite Size Business, so we've designed a set of radio advertising and sponsorship packages to meet any budget. And getting started is really easy too. Just click the link to find out more.